The Motorola Edge 50 Ultra has just leaked in a video revealing not only details about its design but also details about its camera system. The one responsible for this leak has been Evlix, one of the oldest leakers who is still leaking some content. In the video, it is revealed that it would have a curved back cover just like the front, a brushed metallic design, and in the photographic system, 3 cameras can be seen, with the main camera being 50 megapixels, but specifications of the other lenses are not visible, but it is said that it will have a periscope camera of 50 megapixels, and obviously the other one should be an ultra-wide camera. It would also be fully confirmed the integration of Gorilla Glass on its screen, as Motorola previously confirmed that in all its releases it would integrate this level of protection. However, we do not know if it will use Gorilla Armor premiered in the Galaxy S Ultra, which not only gives it a good level of resistance but also avoids reflections to a very high degree. It is expected that this device will have the best that Motorola can offer at present, but let's hope it doesn't disappoint, because in past generations the Ultra model of the Edge series has not been attractive enough from my point of view. The screen is expected to have K resolution with 165 Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 8th Gen, 4500 mAh and 125 watts charging. But remember that filtration is not presentation, so let's wait, because it seems that the entire Edge 50 series is very close to seeing its renewal.